This dead tire has been on the two-door for too long. So we just sprayed some deep creep on it. Let's see if we can get these wheels off. Get this wheel off, because it makes the thing look shitty. I mean, come on, it's a cool car, you know? Can't be over here looking like crap with a flat tire. Got a new one to stick on. All right, movement there. Cool, all right, sweet. She's coming off. Let's go get a jack. Come on, Jack. Let's get this tire off. Team member over here. There we go. All right. Sweet. She is rust rotted here along the hub. So we're gonna have to get our motivator out and break her free. Let's go get the BFH axe. Heavy, big. Should work. See if we can break her free. A little motivation. Giving her hell. There we are. Yeah, that's right. A little bit of elbow grease never hurt nobody. Now, let's get this old dry rotted piece of crapola out of here. Let's get a new wheel on. I think this might work. It's a camper wheel, but might be the right bolt pattern. Alright. Need a little more elevation. Now you're asking yourself, Frank, why are you doing car stuff outside? No shirt and flip-flops. It's like 95 degrees here in Utah in the summer, okay? Flip-flops, always car work approved. In and out of the house real quick, and we gotta go get a drink or something. Anyway, this is not the right bolt pattern. Wait a second. Might have spoke too soon. Nope, it is the right bolt pattern. Tricked you. Cool. Well, looks like after all this time, we got us some new freaking wheel action here. I'm so stoked. You know, it's something simple like this. Obviously, this is a project car that I have to do a lot of work still to get to where it needs to be. It's gonna be sitting here in my yard for a minute, but still, when you walk outside, you see this cool car with all the three nice wheels up in the air and then one just down on the ground. It just sinks your motivation in the same way. So now I'm gonna walk outside and see this and be like, yeah, I'm gonna finish this next two. I'm gonna finish this car. I do like to get busy out here and keep working, so you never know. We'll see what happens with this car. Sweet. Now, she is looking pretty proper. Okay, let's let her back down. Yeah. Okay. Car actually sits nice and even up front. For the first time, I'm looking at my 63 Dodge 332 door 413 Cross Ram Max Wedge sitting actually evenly up front. Way cool. Then we got this old thing running. Need to fix the fuel line. Need to fix the brake line over there on the firewall that broke going across so then we can get brakes. But it'll go into gear. Need to attach our pedal so we can have throttle. But yeah, our 330s are looking cool. What do you say, gang? Yeah, they all approve. I'm serious. It's the simple stuff like this that just is satisfying. It just makes you happy. I mean, it looks already like a Max Wedge race car at the moment. Hell yeah. Let's get the motor out of the trunk, get in the engine compartment already, and let's start doing this thing. What am I waiting for? It's like I said, these little ankle biter things that you forget to get around to, but when you finally do, it's so satisfying to see like the car sitting even and all 4 tires and it can roll easily. You know, I wish I had done that before we moved it all the way here from New York. Don't tell Alex.
Car 102 up on the Hollow.
I thought one of those studs was frozen and spinning off on the back side of the drum, but anyway, we got this wheel on here. The little stuff like this that's just satisfying when you get it done, you know. Get out there, like I said, guys, you got a car, an old project, something in your yard. Like, I don't know if you saw the other day, we got our old Allison Chalmers tractor going. Her father had bought this years ago. We brought it over here thinking we were just gonna have to put in the yard. He had actually bought this tractor to use it to haul and move cars around the yard. And what do you know? It actually does that now. We cranked it up and we're gonna make a video on it. So depending on when this video gets put out, maybe you've seen it, maybe not. But either way, old stuff like this, you think, hey, maybe it'll work, maybe it doesn't. Give it a shot, you know? Like, there's so much knowledge out here on the internet between all of us just doing stuff like this in our own yards. And bottom line is, you got a project car like this, these little ankle biters, things that you've been wanting to get fixed and taken care of for a long time, do it. Because as simple as it is changing a tire on the car, it makes me happy now. I walk out here, I see this car sitting proper on all 4 wheels, not on an angle looking, you know, sad and lonely. Makes me want to work on it. And it's little stuff like this that pushes you through your next part of your project, and just keep working on it. So anyway, thanks for watching my videos, guys. I'll catch you in the next one, and we'll see what we do with all these cars in the yard.